How to use the Affinity Photo Glyph browser. Key tool here, artistic text tool in the toolbar. So once you've done that, go to the document, click on the document, and now just add some text. And you can do that via text and show Glyph browser. Of course, you can type it as well. Now, once you've got the Glyph browser there, you can see you've got a whole range of designs. These ones are from Graphic Extras, these abstract designs, abstract font designs. Of course, you could use any other fonts as well. Double click on the browser, the Glyph, and then the design will appear. And you can just obviously create as many as you want there. Again, click on the document, add another insertion point, and then just add another one, and then so on, so on, so on. Once you've added the design from the Glyph browser, you can go to you can obviously resize it as well. You can go to a layer, and then convert to curve. So it becomes a curve. You can then use the move tool. Just quickly go and select the individual points if you want to actually drag those around and modify the design that you created by the Glyph browser. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.